Welcome. In today's guide, I'm going to walk you through how to make sure your phone number stays private on Telegram, even with specific contacts you don't want to share it with. This is especially helpful with the new update on the Telegram app for PC that gives you more control over your privacy settings. Let's go step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once you're in, look at the top of the page and click on the 3 lines in the corner. This will open up the main menu where you'll see different options to customize your account. Next, head over to Settings. Inside Settings, you need to find and select Privacy and Security. This is where all of your important privacy controls are located. Now, click on Phone Number. By default, you might have it set to Contacts Only or Nobody. But for this method to work, make sure it's set to Everyone. Don't worry, it doesn't actually mean everyone will see it, because we'll customize it in the next step. Right under that, you'll see an option called Never Share With. Next to it, click on Add Users. This is where you can carefully choose the people you do not want to have access to your phone number. Simply go through your list, select those specific users, and once you're done, click Save. Telegram will then ask you to confirm this step. Just review your selections, make sure the right people are on the list, and confirm. From now on, even though your phone number is technically set to be visible to everyone, those particular users you selected will never be able to see it. This update gives you a simple but powerful way to stay in control of your personal information without cutting off your visibility completely. It's quick, effective, and once set up, you never have to worry about accidentally exposing your number to the wrong people. So, that's it. You now know exactly how to stop sharing your phone number with specific users on Telegram using the latest PC version. Stay secure, stay private, and keep your information in your control.